Okay, so due to recent endeavors, I only have 12 days to make a video. So, I thought I'd make myself a nice curly stick. Thought that could be pretty fun. Yeah. Anyway, I started off by sanding everything using my rotary tool. Then after some finalization with hand sanding, I moved on to the base coat. And since we all know what makes a good curly stick is how metallic it is, I started off with the base coat being black. And after giving the paint way too long to dry, it's now time to kind of permanently affix them together with hot glue. But since hot glue alone wouldn't really work, I also made these mini sticks that go inside of the big sticks, which then make the entire thing one big stick. Although sadly when I was gluing everything together, I accidentally snapped this one piece, so now the entire thing is ever so slightly short. But that's okay, it just makes mine slightly more unique. Well, I guess unless you also snap your one. Anyway, after giving the glue time to cool, I then painted the entire thing gold. I definitely painted the entire thing gold. It's not just the bit that you can see. The entire thing is gold. Trust me. And since this is meant to be the Riddler's staff, I also gave it a slight tinge of green onto the little spirally bit. And there you go, that's my Riddler's staff. Yeah, there's nothing really too crazy, it's just a stick with a little broken circle on top, but hey, aren't we all? Anyway, the next video will actually be a video, so stay tuned, I guess.